Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Wyatt in here with us this morning, and Wyatt came in with his whole family. You guys been watching us on YouTube, right?
Right.
You're some South Houston crack addicts, right?
That's right.
Good. Okay, Wyatt, let's show them your posture. They've all been adjusted before by other chiropractors, so they watched our videos and decided to come in here and get a full body adjustment. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate on Wyatt today. Right, Wyatt, let's have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards for me. I see he's a little kinked when he goes backwards too. Did you see that? See, his head's forward and to the right of center, so he's got forward translation and right translation on the x-axis. His pelvis is also translated to the right on the x-axis. He's a side sleeper. Okay, Wyatt, let's lay you on your tummy there. I've already done all his orthopedic neurological tests, and he's 5x5, upper and lower, and +2 equal and active reflexes. However, his right leg's short by 1/4 of an inch here. Then when I bring it up, it stays short by about 1/2 inch, and that tightens up a little bit in his low back and thighs. I palpated his SI joints, and he's got a left SI joint subluxation here, L5 subluxation here, and L4 right there, lower thoracic right there. You saw him jump on that one. And right here at this pussycat, it's sore. And tender trigger points in your traps there. His cervical spine's out on the right at C6 and C7, and also at C3 and C4. And he's also got occipital atlas subluxation complex. Okay, lock your right leg straight, lift that whole leg up. Okay, good. Now relax that one, do the same thing on the left. Did it seem harder to do the right one?
Yeah.
So he has a right sacral deviation test too. So he's got bilateral sacroiliac subluxations and sacrum subluxation in the center of the pelvis. So I'm going to start off adjusting his left SI joint. A little different person, isn't it? A little more significant. There. There we go. I'm one of these old-fashioned chiropractors. I actually move bones. Oh yeah, I can feel them. The crack addicts gonna love you, Wyatt. He's moving everywhere. Okay. See, he's had a loss of his cervical curve here. That's called a diminished lordosis. So I'm adjusting the cervical curve back into the lordotic formation. Let's go on your back for me now. Slide down this way just a tad right there. You see, his head was forward, so I'm bringing it up and back over his shoulders here now. Good. Okay, now put your arms straight out to the sides, palms facing up. I'm adjusting his AC joints bilaterally here, acromioclavicular joints, the sternoclavicular joints, his clavicle where it attaches to the sternum, and then the costosternal joints on his anterior ribs here. So when he stands up after we get done, he should have pretty square posture. Okay, relax this. There we go. Relax this in my hand. There you are. Good job. Okay, let's sit you up and face that way. There you go. Feel that right shoulder?
Yeah.
There we go. The benefits of getting a full body adjustment is that you are stimulating the proprioceptive neurological bombardment into the peripheral and autonomic nervous system, and that changes the pain gates. Okay, let's lay you on your back here. And also resets the biomechanical proprioceptive neurological cerebellar function. Slide up underneath that a little bit. There you go. Okay, this is going to feel tight right here. I know you think I say a lot of these big words that don't mean anything, but you can look every one of them up. And then the brainstem itself, which is inside of his atlas and C2, atlas and axis. And in the cerebellum, there's actually these adjustments stimulate the same opioid receptors that drugs do. There you go. Boy, that was a home run.
Oh my God.
That's what the Astros need tonight, about 5 or 6 more ring dingers. Beat the Dodgers. You felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me have your head. There you go. I got you. Yes, sir. Doesn't get any better than that. Well, you survived your first ring dinger.
That was exactly how I expected.
Was it? Okay. Let's have you come over here and stand in front of the mirror. Get up sideways, yeah? Stand right here. And watch the difference in his posture. Yep. Okay. See how his head's up and back already?
And his shoulders too.
Flex your head forward and backwards again. Yeah, look how your head's more centered than it was. It's still a little bit right, but it's better than it was. And look down here, you got a little space now. So pull your shoulders up and back. Hold those there for me. Flare these here. Now your head's forward and to the right. See, so we're going to bring it straight back. Left. And then look back at the wall behind you. You're going to feel a little tap right there. Right there. Now relax. Let's try that very same thing again. Watch this. Don't swivel.
Wow. It's way easier.
Now you should feel like you're standing up straight right now.
Wow. It definitely feels
That's the way his old way back too. Very good. So, why a lot of our YouTube fans out there like yourselves have been watching us do these full spine and full body adjustments. How was your very first full body adjustment compared to the previous chiropractic care that you've had?
It don't go anywhere else. That's pretty much it. Don't get anything else but a full body adjustment. Nowhere near it.
Do you feel better than when you walked in the door?
Yeah, I feel a lot better.
Good man. Well, thank you for sharing your story with everyone. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. And go Astros!